Imagine making money on the markets without actually trading yourself. Sounds too good to be true? In this video, I show you how copy trading works, which platforms offer it, how much you can realistically earn, and the hidden fees beginners often miss. Copy trading is a simple concept. You choose an experienced trader and your account automatically copies their trades. So when they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. Platforms like eToro, ZuluTrade, NAGA, Bybit make this process fully automatic. Here's how to start copy trading in 5 simple steps. Create an account on a platform like eToro. Deposit funds. You can start from $200 or more. Browse top traders, check their performance, click copy and set your investment amount. That's it. The platform does the rest automatically. Now the big question, how much can you earn? Some top traders show returns of 10–30% per year, some even more than 50. But here's the truth. Copy trading is not passive income without risk. Markets go up and down and even the best traders lose sometimes. A realistic expectation for beginners is 5% to 20% yearly return with proper risk management. Anything promising guaranteed profit is a red flag. Copy trading is not free. Here are the main fees. Spread fees is difference between buy and sell price. Withdrawal fees, for example, on eToro is around $5. Performance fees, some platforms change a percentage of profit, and overnight fees if trade stays open. Always check the fee structure before copying anyone. Here are some popular copy trading platforms. eToro is beginner-friendly with a large community, copy portfolios. ZuluTrade, many brokers connected, advanced customization. NAGA, social trading features, copy top investors. Bybit, crypto copy trading with high volatility. Choose based on your experience and risk tolerance. But before you start, understand this. Past performance does not equal future results. Traders may change strategy and overconfidence is dangerous. And never invest money you can't afford to lose. That's it. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.